channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, Snake and Snake. And why do I always do this when I say?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Okay, so today I did a review on Estetica's Aspen, which is this, and this is a discontinued style, and I had been told that Estetica's Avalon is the new version of Aspen, okay? But I do know that you can still get Aspen like at a beauty supply store. People still have Aspen, so I wanted to I don't know the original color name of this, but I wanted to compare this old Aspen to the new Avalon and just see what the real differences are so that we can just kind of tell. All right, so this is the Aspen. I have 2 Avalons. There is a video on these 2 blondes, and I got both these blondes because I was going to compare it to this and I wasn't sure which one it was. I do think I know which color this Aspen is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Aspen on. I'm going to do side by side. We'll do a side by side with this one, which is one I think it is. And this color is RH1226 RT Root 4. And then this is the last one, which I'm not sure it's this one because the root looks darker. And this is a number root. This is number root 8. This is number 8 root. This one is RH1488 RT8. And then I will come back and talk about my thoughts. So let me go ahead and do a side-by-side for this one. I'll do a side-by-side for the other 2, and then I'll come back at the end and tell you what my thoughts are in terms of what I think the differences are. So I do have my final thoughts. So I actually think this color is somewhere in the middle. Let's start with the color. I think this color is somewhere in the middle because the root is definitely more of a number 8, which is this. This one has a number 4 root on it. And I think that it's just a little bit darker. You know what? I don't know. Yeah, actually, I think these 2 are the same root. As far as the color, I would say I would have thought it was this one, but it's not. It's closer to the RH1226 RT4. I don't think they're exactly the same, which they, you know, they probably aren't because this is a discontinued wig, but they're pretty similar. I'd say the difference is, and you can see with me just holding them, the main difference is like this is just a fuller wig. It just really, really is. You can sort of see it. I do think these colors are extremely similar. You can just see there's just way more fullness. This has a little bit more curl to it as well. You can see on both of them. And this was more of just like a wave. And you can see them from the front. So yeah, I just really feel like this was a little bit, this is a little bit denser in terms of the fibers. The color is very, very similar though. So I think if you find an Aspen, you will be, you know, happy with it. If you feel like, you know, you liked Aspen, but you wanted something a little bit, you know, a little bit fuller with just a little bit more body, definitely the Avalon is the way to go. But if you love Avalon and you find an Aspen and, you know, I think you'd still be happy with it. I just really think the main difference is there's a lot more hair on the Avalon, and just the quality of the fibers It's similar, but you can tell it's a little bit stepped up on the Avalons. Okay, so that is what I have for the comparison between Aspen and Avalon. If you have any thoughts or comments about these two wigs or this comparison, please let me know down below. If you like these type of videos, please give them a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!